third new product pricing strategy is going rate pricing. Here, the going rate pricing is a method adopted by the firms wherein the product is priced as per the rates prevailing in the market, especially on par with the competitors. That means that in nutshell, just pricing the product just like the price of the competitors. That is the price as per the prevailing market price in line with the competitors prices, just like the price of the competitors, charging the price just like the price of the competitors. That is going right pricing. What is going right in the market? That is going right pricing. Basically the company sets a price of its product and service in the line with the competitors prices, and many sometimes charge more or less depending on the value product offers. Sometimes the price may a little bit high than the competitors price, because the product may have some additional characteristics than the competitors product, so the price obviously will be some a little bit high. But the going right pricing practice means that charging a price which is just equal to the price of the competitors, or just like the price that is prevailing in the market. That is the price which is determined as per the market demand and supply conditions. So this is the going right pricing. This type of pricing is mostly followed in oligopolistic industries, where they deal in homogeneous goods. That is, we know that there are two kinds of two kinds of monopolistic competition. That is the firms who is dealing with the homogeneous products, and at the same time there exists firms who deals with the differentiated products. So the going rate pricing is most suitable in case where the firms are producing more or little bit homogeneous product. That is, there is less variation in the products of the producers. In that case the going rate pricing is suitable. That is, there should be less variation in the products that is offered by various producers. That is, most probably it should be homogeneous products. So this is the condition for going rate pricing. So such products, the example for such products are steel, aluminum, paper, fertilizer, etc. We can see in our surroundings that these products usually charge the same price from the customers. We know that. So then now the question arises, which company must be chosen that decides the price for the entire industry? So we have also familiar with the price leadership strategy in oligopolistic firms, like that is, in the price leadership, the types of price leadership can be divided into three. That is, normally smaller firms choose the strategy of follow the leader. So the price leadership strategy, the price leadership strategy are of three types. We know that low cost price leadership, dominant firm price leadership, and barometric firm price leadership. So let me describe each of these kind of price leadership. The first one is low cost price leadership. What is low cost price leadership? Low cost price leadership means the firms in the industry, in the most likely in the oligopolistic market, the firms in the industry follow the price of the firm whose production costs are minimum. So when one firm has a substantial cost advantage over others, it assumes the role of a price leader. The price and output decisions are taken and managed by the low cost firm, or which will be the most efficient firm in the industry, the low cost firm. So the low cost firm sets a price according to MCMR rule. That is, MC equal to MR. The price is set as per at the equilibrium occurs where MC equal to MR, then the corresponding price will be set as the equilibrium price. So other firms will also follow this low cost price, because there is low cost price leadership. The low cost firm is the leader. So the other firm, even though the other firm's marginal cost is very high, they are compelled to imitate the price of the low cost firm. That is the low cost price leadership. And the second one is dominant firm price leadership. What is dominant firm price leadership? It is very clear from the word itself, dominant firm price leadership. So the leader will be the dominant firm. So what does it mean by the word dominant? Dominant firm means that it may or may not be the large firm. It may be the large firm or it may not be the large firm. But the dominant firm means the firm that produces for large share of the market, that whose market share is high, or whose level of output is high. That is the dominant firm. The dominant firm is the firm who share more to the total output. That is the dominant firm. So the price and output decisions are taken and managed by the large size dominant firm in the industry, who is capable of eliminating all its rival firm by price cutting. That is the dominant firm here. The dominant firm is the major contributor to the total market. So the dominant firm is capable for setting the price, and the other firms will follow the price decision taken by the dominant firm. The small firms compelled to accept the price that is fixed by the dominant firm and adjust their output to get maximum profit. So the other firm can make adjustment only in the output, and the other firm may make adjustment in the output. That is the dominant firm price leaderships. The dominant firm dominant the that is the dominant firm price leadership. The third one, the last one is barometric firm price leadership. Barometric firm price leadership. What is the term barometric firm indicate? The barometric firm is an experienced firm. The barometric firm means the experienced firm, which is very important. That is, barometric firm means experienced firm. It may or may not be the low cost firm, or it may or may not be the dominant, or the person who is the firm which is sharing large market share. It is the barometric firm, it is the firm which have high experience, or it is the highly experienced firm which possess better knowledge. Here the importance is for knowledge, not for low cost, or not for not for the market share. Here the importance is for knowledge. The barometric firm means the firm which have high knowledge about the market environment. That is the barometric firm. So the barometric firm's ability to predict the market condition more than ability is very high than the competitors. So the other firms will follow the barometric firm. So the rival firms will follow the price that is fixed by the highly experienced, or the firm which have the firm who is barometric. So when the barometric firm changes the price, the others will follow. That is, the barometric firm can predict the changes in demand, future demand. So the barometric firm can fix the price in order to enhance the profit of the entire industry, because the barometric firm is the firm which is highly experienced and which have high knowledge or better knowledge. This is barometric firm price leadership. So these are the three kinds of price leadership that is followed by the oligopolistic firm. So it is all about the going rate pricing. So the going rate pricing means that, in nutshell, it means that the price as per the prevailing market price. What is when a new product is introducing, when if I am a new producer, I can follow the price that is that which is prevails in the market at current time. That is going rate pricing. What is a going rate? It should be priced by me too. That is a going rate pricing. Thank you.